Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a best thumbnail design for your YouTube in Photoshop. Let's get started. To make a YouTube thumbnail, first we need to go to File and select a new template. And here I'll be using the width will be 1260 and the height will be 720. I will take the resolution to 100 and click on create. Now I have this background layer. I'm just going to create a new layer and click this icon on the bottom and click on gradient. Here I will select the gradient. Here are some of the examples. You can select any one of these. This one looks good. Now click on OK. Now let's start putting the image and the text for our thumbnail design. I'll be using this image. So I will take the background and remove it. I'm going to take a copy of this layer. And now I'll go to select and click on subject. Once the subject is selected, and click on apply mask. I will take this layer and put it on my thumbnail. I will resize this and place it here and I'll make some adjustments. Yes, this looks good. Now double click on this layer on the right side and add the stroke. You can adjust the stroke according to you. This value looks good. Now we'll add the text. I'll take a new layer and add the text. And hit on OK. And I will change the color of this to yellow. Yeah, this looks good. Now we'll add the stroke to this as well. Just click on stroke. I don't like the color of this one, so I will just switch back to red. Yeah, this looks good now. And now we'll add the logo Photoshop. And again, I'm going to resize this. And again, I'm going to add the stroke to this one as well. And now I will group all of these layers by selecting this and this one. I'll press Ctrl+G to make a group. Now we'll make another layer and put this fire on back of this one. Now I'll make some adjustment to this as well. I will create a mask and select the brush tool. I will reduce the hardness to 0 and the flow to almost 30. And I will smooth out the edges. Now I will unhide all of these layers, and there you go. You can make a little adjustments according to you, and now your thumbnail is ready. And that's how you can create a thumbnail in Photoshop. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.